ready to plant.
Can we get it?
And the beans that Dylan gave us are also ready.
What are these
to be
berry?
Introduced.
Rock wool.
And what do we use? Is this a way to start seeds?
Yes.
We need to take off the plastic.
Rock wool, that's what that's called.
All right.
And the roots
It's
are
rock
showing.
that is heated up and made into strands of wool.
Okay, and Emmy, are you going to plant these straight into the planting bed outside?
No, because they need to be introduced to, like, dirt, and so we're going to put them in a little pot at first, and then after that, they could go in the bed when they're ready.
All right, Emmy, so, all right, do you have a pot? Let me tell you how to do it.
I'll get one.
All right, so you make sure, so you want it to be about there. So you fold this up to about here with dirt.
Yeah.
And then you set this in the middle on top, and then you fold it in. Fold the rest.
And this doesn't matter, this will decompose?
Yes.
It's rock.
All right, so let's go do it.
So
Here we have our pots partially filled with dirt, and these are the beans, some of them that Dylan gave us, so some of them are ready to plant, and we're going to be planting these ones. So first, you have to set it in. If there's too much dirt, then just take it out, but you have to make sure that it's just about here. So make it level. There. And you have to do the same for the other one. Okay, so now you take some dirt, and let's say I'm going to scoop some dirt from here.
And we like to use organic soil.
And sprinkle it around. So this is different from doing the peas, because with the peas you make a hole, but with this you have to do it like this. And maybe we could put a little more on this side. And make sure that this is good. Okay, so this one is ready. And we're gonna water that after we do this one. Now we're just gonna do this one. This is the bigger one because this one kind of got stuck, but we helped it and now it's not stuck and it's growing. This one is what it looks like if it doesn't get stuck.
There's a vocabulary word for how plants grow towards the sun.
Words to know. Gravitropism. How a plant responds to the force of gravity. Roots grow downward and leaves grow upward. Gravity is the pull towards the center of the earth.
This is taken from a life science teacher book by Janice Books out of Hayward.
If it gets stuck, just make the hole a little bit bigger so that this part can pull out. And we're just going to get a little more dirt.
So we're not going to leave these right in the direct sun because they were inside. What are we going to do?
We're going to just sort of introduce it to sunlight so that it doesn't burn and die. And there we go.
All right.
Remember not to leave them in the direct sun.
They're not used to it.
And we're going to put them in the shade.
Because? Why in the shade?
Because we need to introduce them to the sun, as I said before. What about the seeds we started in a plate? So, here we have our seeds and they're ready to plant. So, we're going to put these two small ones together. So, in this pot. And we're going to make sure that we water it after because the soil is a little bit dry.
But the cup has holes for drainage.
Yes. There are holes that are cut inside the cup. So here is this. We just have to make holes for the big ones and then put them in. Oh no, so the root is a little bit under, so we have to be careful not to rip the root. This is our biggest one, so it has a lot of roots. We need to make sure that the hole is big enough for it. And there we go. Now all we need to do is water them.
Here's Rachel Ignatowski's version of the bean life cycle.
Take care of your plants.
Watch life unfold.
Sometimes things are going to eat your plants.
Sometimes it's fun to measure as they grow.
You can also measure fruits that grow.
You can even measure how much water you give them.
I like to look at things up close.
I like to try to catch pollination right under my nose.
What I see here is pollination. The bees are carrying pollen from flower to flower.
That's right.
Create artwork to learn vocabulary and anatomy.
This is a mural I have going in the backyard of a flower and the flower anatomy.
Some parts are leaf, stem, and roots.
This will make you create inquiry questions.
Read about your plants.
This is a book about life cycles, and this is where I found the definition of gravitropism.
And this is the tomato plant anatomy.
This is the book that we used, The Wondrous Workings of Planet Earth, and she has excellent drawings. We recommend that book. That was Rachel Ignatowski.
Observe the world around you.
Note what you see. Thanks for watching.